Chef Tony here from Blaze Grills, and today he's going to show us how to make some Blazin Steak Sliders. How do we start?
Well, we'll begin with, you put a little salt and pepper with a little bit of olive oil on, we have some New York strips today.
Okay.
Our grill is preheated for a direct high heat. We can go ahead and I'll put 4 of them on for now. Now while we're waiting to turn the steaks, we can put some of the sauce together and kind of get that out of the way.
Okay, and you've started with the sour cream base.
Absolutely.
Okay, what next?
To that, we'll add a little bit of this cream prepared horseradish, a couple jars. We'll add some of this fresh chopped rosemary, and just a little bit of this heavy cream. And that's it. I'll turn the steaks and we can whisk this together after that and let it sit.
Yeah. How'd I do?
You're a pro. You can come work with me anytime.
I'm a natural. Okay, Tony, steaks are cooking, our sauce is made. We got to prepare our buns, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's do it.
Now, I've already cut these in half and basted them, but these are just basic Hawaiian rolls. They taste really good with sliders.
Yeah.
What we have is just a butter and olive oil blend that I made.
And that's what's on here.
This is a Creole seasoning that I like to use. So we can leave these here for now.
Perfect.
Once we pull the steaks, while they're resting, we can dress them with the caramelized onions and some of these roasted red bell peppers.
Perfect.
It's about time to get the steak off now. So.
All right, let's take them off. Okay, we're ready to put them together. Let's do it.
All right. Let's see here.
We're gonna take some outside and let well, we're already outside, but we're gonna find someone on the street and let somebody try it, and we'll be right back. Hi, sir, would you like to try a slider we just made?
Thank you very much.
Take a bite and tell us what you think.
That's good.
You can find this recipe and many others at cookingatriegelmans.com. Thank you, Tony, for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
We're with the Blaze Grill guys at Riegelmann's in downtown Gresham. Come on down and see them. Until then, we'll see you next week.
Cooking at Riegelmann's is brought to you by Riegelmann's Appliance in downtown Gresham.